Where does photosynthesis take place? We know that plants are able to perform photosynthesis because of the presence of chlorophyll. But where is this chlorophyll located? After Pelletier and Cavento had discovered chlorophyll, it was thought to be spread out in the cells of the green plant parts. It was only 6 decades later, that is in 1883, that Julian von Sachs found out that it is not spread out among all plant cells, but in fact found in special organelles called chloroplasts, and these chloroplasts were found in large numbers in the cells of parts like the stomatal guard cells and ground tissues of plants. Again, it was not till 1954 that scientists were actually able to look at its internal structure. You see, whenever scientists used to try to break up cells, they would end up breaking the chloroplast as well, till Mr. Daniel I. Arnon found a process of breaking up plant cells so gently that the whole chloroplast could be taken out. Now, these chloroplasts should have parts that capture sunlight and other parts that use it to make food like glucose. Chloroplasts are these membrane-like structures where these stack-like structures that you see here are responsible for trapping sunlight. We call these granum. You can think of them as bags of solar energy. You can also see some fluid that fills this up. This intermediary fluid filled portion is what we call stroma. All the enzymatic reactions that use sunlight to produce glucose take place here. These glucose then combine together to form starch. The substances in chloroplasts which capture this sunlight are called photosynthetic pigments. These pigments are the ones responsible for producing organic molecules such as glucose, and chlorophyll is just one among many such pigments. Chlorophyll contains one atom of magnesium, whose structure is similar to the heme of hemoglobin, which, as we all know, is a red pigment that transports oxygen in blood. Again, there are two types of chlorophyll. First is chlorophyll A, which are blue-green in color, and chlorophyll B, which are yellow-green in color. 250 to 400 such pigment molecules are packed into each granum, and innumerable number of such units packed inside chloroplasts perform photosynthesis. During photosynthesis, several events occur inside these chloroplasts, which include conversion of light energy to chemical energy, splitting of water molecules, and also reduction of carbon dioxide to carbohydrates. There are several such reactions that need light to be present, which are called light reactions. But again, there are several called dark reactions, which just use the energy that had been stored from earlier. All of these occur in the stroma of chloroplasts. So friends, in this video, we learned that photosynthesis takes place inside chloroplasts, and we also learned the structure of chloroplasts. Till next time, happy learning.